We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the pesos. We get the pesos. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you guys so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be about 5 reasons why you should include shea butter into your normal skincare routine. And this video is actually sponsored by Butta. And Butta is a skincare line by Dorian Renard. And this is the kit that they sent me, and I am going to review this kit for you guys. Yes, okay, so it's created by Dorian. Essentially, it's for men. However, women can use it as well. So the 3 products that I received, number 1, the cleaner. This is the package that it came in. I actually like the package. It's kind of like really simple, really quick and easy. It's not too much. It's not overbearing. So the first product would be the cleanser. The second product would be the vitamin C serum. And the third product would be the facial shea butter. Okay. So it gives instructions on how to use it, the cleaner. And the second step would be to use the vitamin C serum. It says to apply 4 to 5 drops of the serum on freshly cleaned and dried skin. And the shea butter is coming on last. And you just warm the product in your palms and it's massaged generously over the face. Okay. So I'm just gonna open these. I haven't really opened these. I'm just gonna open them and show you guys how everything looks and my first impression of everything. I actually like the packaging. It's very clean, very simple, easy, and it also has the directions and ingredients on the back. The facial cleanser doesn't really have a smell to it. This is the packaging. It is very, very, very clean and simple. And this is the Butta Vitamin C Serum. Now, vitamin C, I've actually been trying to get my hands on some vitamin C for a minute, so I'm really like excited to see what type of result I get with these serum drops. So yeah. Okay, so the packaging of the vitamin C serum is dark. Well, generally the package of all of the products are dark, but if I'm not mistaken, you have to have dark packaging for vitamin C serum to keep it away from the light. And I actually just like the look of the packaging. That's what it looks like. It smells like citrus. But yeah, can't wait to use that. And this is the facial shea butter. The facial shea butter. Now this is some like real deal. Let's get down to it. I am going to take everything to the bathroom so you guys can actually see me use these products. But before we do that, before I take everything to the bathroom, I'm going to go ahead and run down the 5 reasons why you need to include shea butter into your everyday facial care routine. Okay, so the number 1 reason why is because it has anti-aging properties. It makes your skin look more vibrant. It makes your skin look younger. Number 2 is it has healing properties. Okay, it says shea butter can be applied to dark skin to heal scars, bruises, and burns. Also, skin blemishes often leave dark patches after causing skin redness. Such blemishes can destroy the evenness of the skin tone in African American skin. The healing properties of shea butter can help prevent skin issues such as rashes, dermatitis, eczema, and athlete's foot. Okay, number 3 is it protects the skin. Number 4 is it prevents skin irritation. Number 5 is it reduces stretch marks. Now let's get into the stretch marks. Okay, finally, shea butter can help reduce stretch marks on skin. Raw shea butter is known to contain vitamin A. The vitamin A contains, in addition to hydrating qualities and amazing healing properties of shea butter, will help in reducing the appearance of stretch marks and scarring, particularly on dark skin. Okay, so this shea butter that we have, okay, Dorian hooked us up with some raw shea butter. That's why I was like,
You know what?
well, that shea butter look like the real deal Holyfield. That's because it's 100% raw shea butter. Okay, so we're gonna move everything to the bathroom, and I'm gonna show you guys how I put this on, how I'm gonna include it into my everyday routine.